Hi, it's Andre from the John Morris Group, and today I'm really excited to show you the new CEM MARSXpress 2.0. This is what happens when the world's leading innovator in microwave digestion has 40+ years to perfect their craft. What makes the MARSXpress 2.0 so special? Well, in the words of CEM, simplicity, flexibility, and accessibility. With 3 revolutionary technologies. You've got the MARSXpress vessels, the XpressStart methods, and the soon-to-be-released Express Command voice control. Let's start with the vessels. The unique Express vessels are the most popular in the world for good reason. You have a proven 3-piece design that assembles in seconds with minimal fuss. There are vessel options from volumes from 20 to 110 ml that can handle most sample types from food or feed through to pharma and environmental samples. The patented vent and reseal technology ensures safe operation with outstanding recoveries. And staying with the vessels for a moment, the temperature precision here is incredible, and that's because the MARSXpress 2.0 features iWave, which has a contactless temperature sensing technology that delivers accurate readings for every single vessel, regardless of position or batch size. In addition, the visual light indicator means you can check your digestion status from just about anywhere in the laboratory. Then there's the software. This unit features a large touchscreen with remarkably easy UI. Creating a run can be as simple as selecting your XpressStart temperature and pressing start. The system automatically determines optimal microwave power, ramp time, and hold time, whether you're screening a single urgent sample or processing a complete batch of 40, the MARSXpress 2.0 takes care of everything else. Or alternatively, you can create a CFR 21 Part 11 compliant protocol to ensure you get consistent results. And when your run's complete, you can export professional reports with temperature and power graphs, complete with your lab's logo, and each vessel position is provided with a pass-go status indicating the target temperature has been reached. Again, perfect for compliance and traceability. Finally, CEM have something really special in store with the soon-to-be-released voice command feature, and I can't wait to see this in action once the software has been updated and is released. So if you need rapid and reliable sample digestion prior to analysis by ICP-MS or OES, the MARSXpress 2.0 delivers the perfect combination of simplicity, flexibility, and proven performance without compromising on price. Contact the John Morris Group today for a demonstration, and we'll show you exactly how the new MARSXpress 2.0 can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.